Greetings from Vienna, Austria. This gorgeous city is a feast for the senses, with grand architecture, world-class music, and delicious pastries around every corner. Whether you're arriving by plane or train, Vienna welcomes you with open arms. Hop on the efficient public transport and you'll be at your hotel, ready to waltz right into the heart of this captivating city. Stick with me and I'll be your guide to making the most of your time in this imperial gem. And hey, if you're enjoying these travel tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more adventures. Vienna, once the heart of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, is steeped in history and culture. From the opulent Hofburg and Schönbrunn palaces to its grand museums, the city reflects its imperial past. Vienna is also a cultural hub, renowned for its contributions to classical music and the arts. Today it seamlessly blends its rich history with modern-day charm, offering something for every traveler. Good morning from Vienna. We're kicking off our first day bright and early with a visit to the Schönbrunn Palace. This sprawling summer residence of the Habsburg emperors is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Picture yourself strolling through the meticulously manicured gardens, fountains bubbling around you, and the palace gleaming in the morning sun. As you explore the palace's opulent rooms, imagine the lives of the emperors and empresses who once walked these halls. Take your time, soak it all in. This is a place to linger and appreciate the grandeur of a bygone era. Next up, we're diving into Vienna's vibrant art scene at the MuseumsQuartier. This sprawling complex, once the imperial stables, is now a hub of creativity. From modern art at the MuMacht to photography at the Leopold Museum, there's something here to pique every interest. Feeling peckish? Let's head to the Naschmarkt, Vienna's most famous market. This bustling marketplace has been a Viennese institution for over a century. Stroll past stalls overflowing with fresh produce, exotic spices, and local delicacies. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many food stands or settle in for a leisurely lunch at a traditional Viennese Beisel. As the day winds down, let's take a leisurely stroll through the Stadtpark, Vienna's beloved green oasis. This sprawling park is a breath of fresh air in the heart of the city. Admire the colorful flower beds, relax by the pond, and keep an eye out for the iconic statue of Johann Strauss II. Guten Morgen from Vienna. Today, we're exploring Vienna's imperial history. Our first stop is the Hofburg Palace, the winter residence of the Habsburg rulers. This complex is a maze of courtyards, museums, and state apartments. Next, we're off to St. Stephen's Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Climb the South Tower for breathtaking views of Vienna. Let's spend the afternoon gliding along the Danube on a relaxing boat tour. For our final evening, let's enjoy Vienna's vibrant culinary scene. Indulge in classic dishes like Wiener Schnitzel, and for dessert, a slice of Sachertorte. So there you have it, my friends. 2 glorious days spent soaking up the imperial charm, artistic treasures, and culinary delights of Vienna. I hope this itinerary inspires you to pack your bags and experience this captivating city for yourself. Remember, travel is about embracing the new, the different, the delicious. So go ahead, take a chance, get lost in the cobblestone streets, and discover the magic that awaits you in Vienna. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, happy travels!